Want to earn over 10% APY on USDC or USDT? With Rhea Finance, you can stake stablecoins and earn rewards in both USDC and NEAR. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. First, let's swap NEAR for USDC inside NEAR Mobile. Open the app and go to the Explore tab. From there, select Rhea Finance and tap LP and swap here. Once you're in, connect your wallet and swap your NEAR for USDC. Now that you have USDC, let's lend it to start earning yield. Tap the Rhea logo to go back to the home screen, then select Lend and Borrow here. Connect your wallet, scroll down to USDC, and tap your info supply to begin lending. Finally, enter the amount of USDC you want to stake, sign the transaction, and that's it! You're now earning passive income.